Hi, welcome. This is my Windows XP desktop, which I've customized using a program called Desktop X. I use version 3.0, and with it you can customize your Windows XP desktop to look like anything and work any way you want. So what I've done is I've created it to make it look more like the enterprise computer. As you can see, this is my network place, which I used Windows skins also to make the borders and all that look like and react like Windows for the enterprise computer. This button maximizes. This button minimizes. And this button restores to whatever size you had it sized for. This one here is my computer. With the same setup. And you can also right click it and use your usual settings. Just like Windows XP uses, with all your event viewers, device managers. So it functions just like the icons would on your Windows XP desktop. Control panel. And my start menu, which I moved from the taskbar, and as you can see I removed their taskbar and made my own. And this has all the programs that are on my Windows XP system. Over here I have all the programs I use mostly. Real Player, which I also made my own skin for the Windows enterprise computer look. This minimizes it. This does continuous play. This switches it back to the default skin. This mutes it. Over here you got your buttons for play, next, previous, menu, record, exit, shuffle. This is the volume control. And over here shows the progress of the clip. And it pretty much functions just like the Real Player. It's just my own skin. I also added animation, which you can turn on or off. And you can size the player, make it smaller. It has animation also, and you can turn the animation off on it. So, that's what I did with Real Player. Next is the Office applications I have. And pull up Word. And as you can see, using the skins also changed everything for that. So it looks like the enterprise computer. Same with Excel, front page, Outlook, PowerPoint. They all have the same skin. LB View is a Windows graphics viewer and editor I use. Notepad, Windows Notepad I use to edit my web pages. Flash I use for my Flash web pages. MediaFace I use for DVD label makers and covers and things like that. Um, Paint I use also as an editor once in a while. Windows Explorer, always handy to have on your desk so you can pull up your Windows Explorer and find files or go right to a file and play it when you want. Bitstrip's another editor. QuickTime. The old Windows Media Player, which I use from time to time. I like the interface a lot better in Windows new Media Player. Certain things only run in it. Only run when they're in that Windows player. Over here I have set up my weather for the week and temperatures, what the weather's going to be like. This is my trash can. Right now it's full, and there's a graphic for it. When it's full it looks like that, and when it's empty the graphic changes. Clock with the date and time, and down here's the taskbar, which I was talking about earlier. As you can see, I did away with their normal taskbar, made my own. You can add icons to it like I did. Here's a screensaver that I run when I want to just shut it down and leave it in screensaver mode. All the programs that I have running over here, all the programs that are either open or minimized would be there. Like, put a few up. So as you can see, they just sit down here minimized. Until you need them, you just click them, bring them back up. This is a quick button to just shut down the system. That's basically all I've done. You know, it's my own taste, but it's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed it.